And then
she wants the
caramel
caramel
macchiato.
macchiato. I think it has chocolate sauce in it too.
And milk.
Milk?
Nobody wants the soy milk, huh?
Nobody does, but eventually they probably will, right?
Huh. Okay. Let's check.
Yeah.
It never hurts to check. Caramel macchiato. Caramel.
Caramel.
Okay.
There we are!
Yeah!
That got all over me! Moko-chan, 気持ち悪い. How did you even do that? Gross! Gross! I'm beside you, Moko-chan! I'm beside you! This shouldn't be happening! What about the food safety? What about the food safety?
Enjoy your sneeziado.
Oh, no, she knows! She knows!
She's
Machiko! Machiko was sorry!
you didn't see anything. It's food safe, okay?
Yeah.
It's food
Yeah,
safe.
Senpai said it's okay, so...
Yeah, she doesn't know.
Yeah.
There!
Oh, flip the clothesline! You can go do it, Moko-chan!
Let's go!
Closed!
We're closed! Why? I scan you!
We're closed!
I scan you!
We're closed! Please come
you.
back tomorrow!
I scanned you! It's closed!
Goodbye!
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 Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, it's closed.